welcome to Finance with Avery. Today in this video, I'm going to be jumping into an exciting opportunity with Capital One, a fantastic sign-up bonus for their 360 checking account. If you've been considering opening a new checking account or looking for a new sign-up bonus, now might be the perfect time. Let's get into the details here, starting with Capital One. And you definitely are probably familiar with Capital One. They are the 9th largest bank in the United States based on total assets. They still have that deal going on where they may be actually buying and acquiring Discover, bringing them under the umbrella with Capital One. So that is still in the works. I did a video on that. You can check out the link in the description if you want to know more about that. And the 360 checking account is really nice and convenient. I've actually used it before. There's no monthly maintenance fee with it. You have over 70,000 fee-free ATMs. You can do mobile check deposit, and it is FDIC insured up to that $250,000 amount. And you can get help in person at some of their branches and cafes that they have scattered across the United States. And you can deposit cash into your 360 checking account at CVS and Walgreens, and you could transfer money externally to another bank account from your Capital One 360 checking account, and you can transfer money from another bank account externally to your Capital One 360 checking account. And also with the transfers, you do have the feature of Zelle, where you can send money to people and receive money from people with Zelle into your 360 checking account with Capital One. And the Capital One 360 checking account comes with a MasterCard debit card, and there is no initial deposit required to open the 360 Capital One checking account. However, you will need to make a deposit within 60 days or the account will be closed. And with the sign up bonus, you'll definitely be depositing money into this account. And with this Capital One checking account, there's no monthly maintenance fees or foreign transaction fees. However, there may be fees in regards to some of the services available with the Capital One 360 checking account, like if you request a cashier's check or send an outgoing wire or have a checkbook printed, things like that, things you may not do often or at all, basically. But there are fees associated with those. But overall, there's no monthly maintenance fee or just a fee just for having the account open or anything like that. And if you have direct deposit through your employer, you can link it to your 360 Capital One checking account and get paid up to 2 days sooner with the early paycheck feature. So if you get paid on a Friday, typically, if you have this account linked to your direct deposit with your employer, you could get paid on a Wednesday instead of that Friday, or maybe a Thursday instead of that Friday. So up to 2 days sooner. And now that I've gone over some of the benefits and features of the 360 checking account with Capital One, let's get into details of the $250 sign up cash bonus. So this $250 cash sign up bonus with Capital One, you see right there, there is a reward promo code for it. It is reward 250. So that's very important right there. When opening the account, typically they do have the reward code linked in association if you open the account through the link for the actual promotion. And I'll have the link for this promotion down in the description of this video. It's not a referral link for me or anything like that. It will just land you right on this page. So typically when you sign up through the page with the promotion, the promo code is like linked within the application. But if you see a spot that's asking for a promo code, or you're opening it up in person at a store or something like that, you definitely want to have that promo code right there at the ready and available and input it. It is REWARD 250. So reward 250, which is what you'll be getting, that $250 reward bonus. And with this account, it only takes a few minutes to open. Very fast, easy process. And with eligibility for opening the account, let me pull this up and make this a little bigger right there so you can see it on the screen as I'm telling you about it. So if you've had a 360 checking account with Capital One before, or a Simply checking or a Total Control checking account with Capital One before, you may or may not be eligible for this sign up bonus. So if you were the primary or secondary account holder on one of those accounts with Capital One on or after January 1st, 2022, then you will be ineligible for this bonus. So if you've had an account, even if you've closed it since then, if you had an account open on or after January 1st, 2022, then you would not be eligible for this reward bonus. However, if you had one of those accounts, and closed it before that time, you didn't open it on or after that January 1st, 2022, but you closed it before then you would be eligible for this bonus. And another thing you definitely want to do to be eligible for this bonus is when you open this account, keep the account open and good standing. And one thing for sure with this bonus, when you open this account, you want to keep the account open and in good standing. Don't have a negative balance, don't have any, bad transactions or anything that's going to make the account be in bad standing. Just keep the account open and good standing, because that is a requirement for you to receive the bonus. Now, unlike some of the other sign-up bonuses out there that require some kind of a minimum balance, there is no minimum balance required to be maintained in order to receive the bonus. So that is something kind of different. Some other accounts you have to have a certain amount in the account. So that is something to keep in mind. You can keep some money in this account for sure, just make sure it's open and in good standing for sure. But as you see, there's no minimum balance required to be maintained to receive the bonus. So within step one, you have the promo code for the reward. You know you're eligible to open this account and receive that bonus. So what you have to do is open this 360 checking account on or after February 21st, 2024. So as of right now, there's no expiration date for this bonus. It doesn't say you have to open the account by a certain date. It just says you have to open the account on or after February 21st, 2024. And we're past that date. So yeah, this is available to be opened. This promo bonus is still going on. If they update it with some kind of expiration date where you have to open the account by a certain date and I notice it, then I'll try to comment it on the video or pin it at the top so you'll see that. But as of right now, there's no expiration date for this bonus. I'm sure it won't be continuously ongoing forever. They're going to end this eventually. Maybe they'll lower the bonus amount, or maybe they'll increase it, or just get rid of it and just put a pause on it, do it later, something like that. But right now, there's no expiration date. All right, so you open the account with the promo code reward250. Now what's next? Step two. Step two is you have to set up direct deposit with this account and receive at least 2 direct deposits, each of $500 or more within 75 days of account opening. Very simple, easy process. So first here, let's see what qualifies as a direct deposit so you know what's eligible for a direct deposit for that $500 or more within 75 days. A qualifying direct deposit. A qualifying direct deposit is a regular periodic payment such as salary, pension, government payments, for example, Social Security, or other monthly income that occurs as an automated clearinghouse ACH or real-time payment network credit from your employer or an outside entity. Most people are going to get this through their employer. You know, you've got direct deposit set up through your employer. You get paid every 2 weeks, every month, every week, however you get paid. That's going to be a qualifying direct deposit. So if you get paid some other way through another employer, you know, through a salary, through your pension or government payments or something like that, right now you got it set up however you got it going to your savings, checking, both or something like that. That would be qualifying direct deposit, something that's going through the ACH, automated clearinghouse, or real-time payment network. So you have something going into your account like that. You can link that to your Capital One checking account. So you don't have to do your full amount of your check that you get paid from your salary or pension, anything like that. You can do a percentage amount or a certain dollar amount. For this bonus, I would do a certain dollar amount because it wants at least $500 or more 2 times within 75 days. So I would set up the direct deposit of, you know, $500. If I get paid every 2 weeks, every month or something like that, I would select, you know, $500 at least going into this 360 checking account, and boom, you do that twice and you've got step 2 down right there. However, there are some items that are not qualifying direct deposits. Those include wire transfers, ACH credits, and fund transfers initiated using Capital One's website or mobile app are not considered qualifying direct deposits. So you can't do like an external transfer from another bank to this account, or a wire transfer from another account to this account, anything like that. That would not qualify for a direct deposit. Most people are going to have that qualifying direct deposit through, you know, their standard payments from their employer, a pension, or a government like Social Security, something like that. Those are qualifying. Wire transfers, ACH credits, fund transfers from outside external bank, or even transfer money from your like Capital One savings account or some other account with Capital One to this account, something like that, not considered qualifying direct deposits. So step 2, very simple, easy to the point, doesn't take long to set up direct deposit. You can do it typically, you know, through your employer, and they have forms as well where you can do it from Capital One, you know, to turn in to your employer. So basically, with step 2, you get those qualifying direct deposits set up and receive at least 2 qualifying direct deposits, each of $500 or more within 75 days of account opening. Now, you've done step 1 and you've done step 2, and you're wondering, where is my $250 bonus? Now, for step 3, is basically patience for you. Step 3 is that you're going to receive your $250 bonus deposited into your new account after you complete those steps. And I'm going to tell you and show you the timing of this. This is nice that they have this. And here is the timing of receiving this bonus. So you're going to have 75 days to complete the requirements above, that 2 qualifying direct deposits, you know. After the first 75 days from account opening, your status to receive the bonus will be assessed and processed, which can take up to 60 days. This means if all requirements are met, you can expect your bonus to be deposited into your account within 135 days from account opening. And to receive the bonus, as I stated before, your account must be open and in good standing at the time the bonus will be deposited. So there is the timeline right there that you see for receiving this $250 bonus. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. And now one thing to mention, of course, that goes along with step 3, receive the bonus. You got the $250 bonus deposited into your Capital One 360 checking account. Something to keep in mind is filing it on your taxes. So the amount of your bonus will be reported on IRS form 1099-INT to the IRS. and your state revenue authority if required, if you have that. So probably around January, February 2025, you'll get the 1099-INT form in the mail for this bonus, that $250 amount. If you do your taxes yourself, or you're familiar with this, then you know the process of this. You're going to file it on your taxes. In that section for your taxes, 1099-INT interest. You know about it. If you've done it before, then hey, this goes along with the other sign-up bonuses you do. Just keep in mind, we'll have to file it on your taxes. If you get somebody else to do your taxes, a professional somewhere, then just take that form to them that you're going to get in the mail from Capital One, at 1099-INT with this $250 bonus on it. So just something to keep in mind with all these sign-up bonuses. The amount is going to be likely reported on IRS Form 1099 to the IRS. So make sure you file it with your taxes. So here's a recap right here. As you see it on the screen, very simple, easy process to obtain that $250 bonus. Open the new 360 checking account with the promo code REWARD250. Set up and receive at least 2 direct deposits, each of $500 or more within 75 days of account opening. Then step 3, keep your account open in good standing. Be patient and you'll receive a $250 bonus deposited into your new account. And boom, that's it. So yes, this is a simple way to earn some extra cash while taking advantage of a great checking account. And that is it with the video, everybody. Hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos about personal finance and investing. Until next time, take care.